Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay. So how are you all, my dear? Assalamu alaikum.
I am fine. And how are you?
Alhamdulillah, my dear. Okay. How did you do recitation?
Teacher, please say. Teacher, अली ने topic choose कर लिया तो
Let Papa do recitation. Then we will start the class. Papa, unmute yourself.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر صدق الله العظيم.
Subhanallah. Okay. So participant, are you ready? Are you ready, my dear Shamir, Ali Ahmed, Ahmad, and Aisha Ilyas? You all are ready, or you wish to ask some questions? Ji, Ahmad, are you ready? Use home option to thumbs up. Have you learned the speech by heart? Okay, that's really great. Okay, you know we will be having 4 or 5 sessions. Then I'll be finalizing it. Fine. So today it's a practice day for you, so everyone can take part. Inshallah, I'll be taking the final one as well. Yes, Farwa, you wish to ask something? Ji Farwa bete. Puche bete, unmute yourself. Beta, you are not audible. Farwa bete, ask the question. Farwa bete, you wish to ask? Do you wish to ask any question? You raise the hand. Or shall I start? Okay. I think she does not wish to ask. Farwa, why did you raise the hand, my dear? Ji Ahmad bete, you wish to ask something?
Yes, Miss.
जी बेटे पूछें.
Miss, today's speech competition.
Yes, my dear, and you are also included. Did you prepare it?
Miss, no, Miss.
It's you got 2 days. Yesterday as well, today as well. Why you didn't prepare for it? I'll be deducting marks for it. Whosoever will not take part, I will cut their marks. As I personally message to you all. Okay.
Yes.
Aisha Ilyas, come on, start yours one. Aisha Ilyas, bete unmute yourself. And please, student, you should not unmute yourself. Aisha, unmute yourself.
Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers and all the students present here. This is Aisha Ilyas, student of Air 5 Green, and I wish to speak today about what would I like to change and the reason behind it. I have often seen that people give up in their dark times and could not cope up to deal with the problems they are facing. So I really want to change this mindset of everybody who ends up surrendering to their fears of failure. People should want to change. We should find a reason to get back up again when the entire world beats you down. You should try again and feed your mind with the ideas of success, not failure. People should have this in their mind that the only way you can fail is when you give up. If there is no failure, there is no great story. It takes years for a tree to give a tasty fruit. Similarly, it would take time to get success. So if we want to win, should not stop till we get what we are looking for. We would have heard about Thomas Edison, who created bulb, but he failed thousand times to refine the light bulb. But his attitude towards failure was great. He confidently said, "I didn't fail thousand times. I found thousand ways of how not to make a light bulb." So when there are thousand reasons to quit trying, give yourself one reason to try one more time. Never give up till you become a great achiever. So if I could change this one thing about people, I believe that we will overcome all the problems we are facing. Thank you.
Aisha, it's a great practice of yours, but you did not use any gestures. Nothing you have used. Your face expression was very serious. As I told you, when you are giving a speech at the time, you should show the face expressions. You should smile. You shouldn't look very serious. Fine. Right now, you are not reading. You are giving a speech right now. ठीक है ना? Use your hand, just everything you have to use. When the body language is very important. Am I clear? The content you prepare is really very nice. Very good content you are having right now. But you have to add more quotations and the body, you should use it, please. The hand gestures, the face expression, each and everything is very important. Is this clear, my dear? Okay. Now, Wafa bete, get ready. It's your turn now. Are you ready, my dear? Ji, Wafa bete, are you ready? Hello, bete, am I audible to everyone? Use. Am I audible? Okay, that's very good. Yes, bete Wafa? Okay. She is disconnected now. I think there is internet issue. So Shamir, come on, you start it now. When I say start it, please. And whosoever is doing speech today, what they will do, they will make their own video, a personal video, and they will share it with me in my personal WhatsApp group. ठीक है बेटे? Is this clear to everyone? Do make your video and share with me in my personal ID. Come on, Shamir, start yours. Shamir, start yours.
A very good morning to all of to respected ma'am, teacher, and my fellow friends. I am Mohammad Shami Saeed, a student of 5 grade. It is my honor to stand in front of you all and give a talk about responsibility make a student more responsible. Responsibility means the power to control or manage. A responsible student manage their academic curriculum that how to give a good performance and achievement in their studies. He is self-motivated, knew how to learn and get knowledge in a limited time and clear concepts. He he always encouraged himself to perform best in school as well as at home. Dear ma'am, a responsible student should have a good academic skills. He has the ability to read comprehensively, to write effectively, to speak frequently, and to communicate clearly are the key areas in which the student must be proficient. An ideal student must recognize his own weaknesses and work on them. They quickly adapt to change and have the ability to solve the problem very quickly. They set their goals, so they should focus on the future. Dear man, learning cannot be imposed upon or given to the student. Responsible student invests his time in energy and focus to develop understanding. They have to struggle with and overcome the obstacles that they face in their learning. To improve in best in learning, incorporate his weak fellows so he can also give them an opportunity to learn and improve their quality education. A responsible student also have the ability to censor the rules and regulation of school as at society. He will be the best citizen who follow the rules and emphasize the other people to follow them. So, in the last, I pray to Allah that all of us to be responsible person in front of Allah. If He bless us, inshallah, we will a good and responsible student. Thank you.
Very good, Shamir. It's really good. But you did not learn by heart. You are using the paper right now.
Yeah.
The expression was really good. The content was also very good. Each and everything you used very nicely, but you did not learn by heart. This is the lacking. Otherwise, everything is fine. Yes, Farwa Bete, you wish to add something? Very good, Shamir. Farwa Bete, unmute yourself. Very good, Bete. And the students, you are not appreciating. You should appreciate your classmate now. He did a great job. Very nice. Think that you are in the class right now. Use the Zoom option. Yes, motivate your classmates. Okay, that's like a good student. Very nice. Okay, now it's Ali Ahmad's turn. Let Ali Ahmad start his own now. Aisha and Shami, you both done a great job. Now it's Ali Ahmad's turn. Okay, Ali Ahmad, let me unmute you. Are you ready, my dear?
Yes.
Okay, start, my dear.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ali Ahmad Khan from class 5 red. Today I will be delivering speech on technology that whether it has helped connect people or isolate them. As far as I know, anything that is used beyond limits can be a curse. Everything has its own pros and cons. Same in the case with technology. If we talk about the current situation of the world, it's clear that COVID-19 is refunding society's relationship with everyday's technologies that makes socialization still possible. Illness has created a wide innovation is jumping in to fill it. Be it Skype calling with our family friends, attending office and meeting from home, and the whole educational system going online is all possible due to technology. But on the other hand, I do believe that increasing use of tech made our lives sort of robotic in the early days. The things that a generation before us used to this not common these days, like spending your evenings with your family and discussions over a cup of tea, are more rare now because everything is just like a click away. Thank you so much.
Very nice, Ali Ahmad. But why did the camera stop? You are not online.
Teacher, my net is problem.
But
Net was problem
as
and
I told you, when you are giving the speech, the most important thing is the body language that I could not see. So I have deducted the marks of that. Otherwise, you are really good. Fine. Just practice the sound of few words that was not clear. Fine. Practice speaking again and again. Fine. Which you were unable to spell out. ठीक है ना? You have to practice the pronunciation of those words where you stuck. ठीक है ना? So do practice. We'll be doing the final one again. Clear, bete? Overall, it was very nice. Thumbs up. Great job. Okay. Very nice. Do more. Yes, my dear. Very nice, Aurelia. I want all the students to motivate your classmates. Now, Zainab, it's your turn. Zainab. Are you ready, my dear?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, let me record the video of yours. Okay. Yes, Zainab, start now.
Hello everyone. I am Zainab Zafar, the student of Year 5 grade. I am here to talk about if technology connect people or isolate people. I sometimes hear folks complaining that today's technology isolates people. But I don't agree with this. To me, technology doesn't isolate people. It's people who isolate each other. I see technology as a part of solution rather than the problem. Technology has enhanced education like no other. Technology connects us to the world by helping with travel. Traveling connects us to the world in many ways. Technology connects us to the world and local news in many ways. Technology builds strong bonds and close relationships. Even amid adversity of COVID, it was the technology which not only connected us but ensured our learning through online classes. Steve Jobs says, "It's not a faith in technology, it's faith in people." As I sit here behind my computer, I feel more connected with others via computers and the internet. Even the kids spending time on their mobile and they are more familiar with this. When I started using Facebook, I located a few of my school and neighborhood friends. When I started using Facebook, I looked in the words of Bill Gates, the advance of technology is based on making it fit and so that you don't really even notice it. So it's part of everyday life. Thank you.
Excellent job, my dear Zainab. It's full of passion, a lively speech you have given. I must say, it's really a great work of yours. Very nice. Excellent job, Bidin. Okay. Wafa is the last participant. I think she has an issue with the internet. Okay. Yes. Hamad, you wish to ask something? Hamad and Fawa, unmute yourself.
No, miss, I don't want to ask
You
anything.
raise a hand to ask the question, my dear.
वो
Yes,
मिस
Fawa.
मैंने पहले करा था वो मैंने लोअर हैंड में करा था.
Okay, no problem, my dear. So tomorrow you have to prepare, bete Hamad. Is it fine?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Yes, Farwa, you wish to ask something? Shamir, wait, let Farwa should ask. Farwa, bete, what? Are you
Yes,
here?
teacher.
Ji,
Yes.
do you wish to ask any question?
No.
Okay, then lower the hand. You raise the hand. Raise hand means you wish to ask question. If you don't wish to ask, then lower the hand. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, that's like a good girl. Yes, Shamir, bete. Do you wish to ask? Samir, you joined very late the class. Ji Shamir, my dear.
I want to ask teacher when the final one it was.
Final one you will be having after Eid, inshallah, and after your assessment. In that, inshallah, ma'am will also join us. So we are doing the practice. The practice is very important. So soon we will doing the final one. Okay. Anyone else wish to participate right now? Yes, Kirat, Fahad, and Samir. Did you practice any topic? Samir,
So what topic?
did you practice any topic of speech?
Yes.
Which topic?
Comprehension.
No, I did not give comprehension. From where did you get that? I only have given 3 topics. So from where did you get the 4th one? Who gave you that?
नाम तो बताएं थी का.
I already have shared in WhatsApp group now. You did not go through that. Okay, Fahad, you share it, bete. Sameer, bete, try to be punctual, please. Yes, Fahad, you wish to share? G, did you prepare the speech of yours?
Miss, no, I will prepare tomorrow.
Okay. Okay, fine. So make it clear. Tomorrow, Sameer, Hamad, Fahad, and Farwa will be doing it.
I will make video and give.
It's okay, bete. So make it clear. Tomorrow, Fahad, Aurelia, Hamad, Sameer, and Kirat. 5 students will be doing by tomorrow. Is this clear? Is this clear, bete? Hamad? Use thumbs up option of the Zoom. So you 5 will be doing by tomorrow. Aurelia, Fahad, Hamad, and Sameer. Get ready. And Kirat as well. 6 students will be doing by tomorrow. Fine, Kirat? You should also take part in it. Okay. Okay. Do let me know any topic which you did not get from zero term assessment. G. As I told you, my dear students, the students who are not submitting me their assignment, they will not be rewarded the marks. You know, I have given marks to those students who had submitted their assignments to me. The practice work which I have given to you in this zero term assessment. Okay, Farwa has joined the class again. Okay, put your hand down, Fahad bete. I got it, you have prepared it. Okay. G. Bete, I already have shared in the group. Just check it out. From the group, take any one topic. Is this clear, dear?
Miss, okay.
Okay. Ahmed Afzal. Ji bete. Ahmed Afzal, you joined the class too late and you did not submit the name of yours. You know, it has the marks. 10 marks. You are the last participant. We are waiting for you.
Teacher.
Ji bete.
Teacher, I can't. Teacher, I can't prepare myself because my mother mobile. टीचर भी मम्मा का मोबाइल खराब हो गया था और वो 2 दिन से खराब है तो इसलिए मुझे टॉपिक नहीं पता.
Okay, no problem, bete. I am announcing the 3 topics which you will practice. Listen carefully. All the students should listen carefully now. Okay, the first topic, what would you like to change and why? You have to give solid reason and evidence. कि आप क्या change करना चाहते थे, ठीक है? The second topic, responsibilities make students more responsible. You know what are responsibilities? जिम्मेदारियां क्या होती हैं? Do you know that? Okay, I hope you all know that.
Yes.
Use Zoom option, bete. Okay. The third one is overall technology has helped connect people or isolate them. Did technology isolated us or did it help us to connect? So from two you have to select one. Am I clear? Are you in favor or are you in against of that? You will be sharing it. Okay, bete, am I clear now? All the topic did you receive? Ji bete.
Teacher, please tell me again first one.
What would you wish to change and why? The reason you have to mention. ठीक है बेटे?
Yes.
Okay, Chief Fahad, you wish to add something? Fahad?
Yes, वो 3 टाइप्स आपने जो भी बताई थी वो बताइएगा. एक तो टेक्नोलॉजी.
The technology has helped people to connect, or technology isolated it? What did technology do? Did it connect you or isolated you? In my opinion, I think we are more connected. We are unable to go outside, but through online session, through online meeting, we are connected to each other, isn't so? Is that so?
Yes.
So it's up to you. It's only your choice. I want you to give the solid evidence. Why and why not? Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay, that's like a good boy. Yes. Anyone wish to ask any question? We have still 4 minutes are left. Yes, Shamir.
Yes, teacher.
You wish to ask something?
No, teacher.
Okay, fine. Okay, one more thing. On the second hand, okay, I think one student is joining us. Oh, again, this is a problem. Okay, listen carefully. I have two activities. One of entry and the second of this field debate one. After finishing the first one, after having regarding the debate, after all decision. Now here, is this everyone? I will tell you how to do that. So don't worry about it. I will conduct a session with you. Okay, how to do that. Is it clear? Am I audible to everyone here? Am I audible? I think there's an internet issue. Hello? Yes, I am. Not
Teacher, your voice is not coming.
Yes, bete, I have internet issue now. We don't have electricity and I'm facing this problem. The things are clear to you? Yes, Samir, everything is clear, my dear? Samir and Fahad, everything is clear to you, bete?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Take good care of yourself as my internet is disconnected again and again. If you still wish to ask, you can ask. Farwa bete, ji bete, pujiye. Farwa, unmute yourself. It's okay, Fahad. Put your hand down. Use only Zoom option. Don't use the body, please. Avoid it. Baba, open the video. I did not get you, bete. You often close the video of yours. Ji, bete.
मैं कह रही हूँ कि टीचर नेट की प्रॉब्लम की वजह से मैं टीचर स्पीच नहीं दे पाई.
No, bete, no matter, bete. I am conducting the practice session. No worries about it. As I am also facing this issue. You know, na, because of the rainfall, sometimes we don't have electricity, sometimes we are facing the internet issue. I do understand all these problems. So no worries, bete, don't worry about it. Okay, Allah Hafiz, student, take good care of yourself.